So the winds, Mike, the gusts are unbelievable right now, and they're not going to get much better anytime soon for the next few hours, right?
Exactly. The worst likely happening in the early afternoon, but we already have some of that snow and rain falling across some parts of New Jersey. The light snow working in right there in northern portions of Sussex County, meeting some very dry air, so it's likely why it's not reaching the ground just yet. Still have those clouds around. However, down toward Route 1 and just north of the Turnpike, you have this pretty broad area of pink showing a little bit of mixing. But even the Trenton Airport weather station not picking this up just yet because the radar beam hits at about 1,000, 1,200 feet high. So some of that rain evaporating by the time it reaches the ground. So this showing a little bit more of maybe what will come in the next half hour or so as that moisture ultimately reaches the ground. But still, to see that rain snow line to be that far south briefly could cause some problems on the big roads earlier this morning. Through the rest of the day, again, anticipate north and west of 287, a small accumulation, but heavy rain. South and east of 287, especially down toward Newark, a little bit of mixing there toward Morristown, some freezing rain for you, and of course, Jersey City with the rainfall this afternoon. 1 to 2 inches of rain expected, and this cold that locks in for the next 2 weeks or so, not going anywhere anytime soon. So it's going to be very chilly for all of the Northeast, even right down toward Florida, not expecting to be at least above average throughout the rest of the month. And then for the first half of December, also slightly higher than average precipitation chances. The next few days featuring that big cool down with a slide in temperatures into the teens and 20s at night, only warming back to just freezing even by next Monday and Tuesday of next week, keeping it chilly Ken, on the board through the first weekend in December. So very cold weather on the way.
All right, and we have been warned. I always carry gloves.
Hmm.
I carry gloves like in my car and in all my jackets and whatnot. Everyone makes fun of me, but you know what? On a windy day like this, my
Yeah, it's
hands stay
helpful.
warm. I'm just saying. Always wear a parka too, so I could pull up that head nice and warm. All right, sir. Thank you very much. Tis the season.